Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone, and in today's video, I'm going to talk to you about how to properly store dry pasta. Let's get to it. So the thing that's great about pasta is that, well, it has a really long shelf life, right? Like that's what makes it such a wonderful staple. It actually lasts for a few years in its original packaging. And once you open it, it still can last a few more years even past that expiration date. But there's a few key things to remember. First off, you want to store the pasta in its packaging, wherever, in a dry, cool place, right? Because obviously pasta is about absorbing moisture. That's what makes it edible. So you want to make sure that's a dry, cool place. Once you open up that bag though, you want to put the pasta in an airtight container. So rolling it up with a chip clip or, rubber band or whatever it is that you do, that's not good enough. You want to make sure that you actually store it in an airtight container. Now, some people store pasta in the fridge. That does nothing. Absolutely nothing for the pasta. It does not extend the shelf life at all. So dry, cool place. Once it's opened, put it in an airtight container and also store it in that same dry, cool place. Pasta will last, usually the expiration date on pasta is a few years into the future. And even after that, you still can extend it beyond that 1 or 2 years. The use by date on pasta is fairly conservative. The thing that matters the most is that once you open that bag, and if you leave it in the shelf even for a few years, there's gonna be a degradation in the quality and the taste. Now, it's not gonna be huge, it's gonna take a while, but it will actually degrade. So that's something to keep in mind when you're storing your pasta. If you like this video, hey, give me a thumbs up. If there's something that you wanna know about, drop a comment below. And I release new videos every single week. So if you like to cook like I do, please subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.